The scientific method is how scientists explore ideas. Start with a question, then make a hypothesis, an educated guess. Test it with experiments, observe carefully, record the results, and share the conclusions.
It starts with observations. Watch what's real. Curiosity rising, that's the spark you feel. Turn that spark into a question, specific and exact. Something you could test and support with the fact. Then form a hypothesis, a testable guess. Predict the outcome of what the data will address. Then it's time for the experiment, designed with control, with all variables steady so the truth can unfold. Then record all the data, every number and fact, with all evidence collected, exact and intact. Begin to analyze, compare and review, searching for different patterns that prove what is true. State the conclusion, connect it with proof. The data decides if the hypothesis was true. Share the results and let the method be known. Science moves forward when the knowledge is shown. We ask, we test, we prove what's true. Step by step, that's how we do. From question to fact, conclusions are drawn. Share what you've learned so the method lives on. We ask, we test, we prove what's true. Step by step, that's how we do. From question to fact, conclusions